Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is a topic that I really like to discuss because this channel is pretty much everything to do with hair loss. If it's not wigs, if it's not makeup, then it is accessories. The perfect turban is the accessory that not only empowers you, but it's a great icebreaker, I find, and I can only speak for myself. So as you can see, I am completely wig free. This video is not about wigs, but a powerful accessory that is a great alternative. But here's the thing, it's not just about style, it's about empowerment and it's about feeling comfortable. So let's discuss the turban. So I love to showcase many brands within the sort of turban sector, and many of which absolutely speak so much to my heart because their beautiful designs are just absolutely stunning. But there is a brand today that I do want to focus on specifically because they are a self-made brand. This lady is incredible at what she does. The quality, the craftsmanship, the designs just speak luxury in my eyes and elegance. And that's what I find turbans or head wraps do. I think they really bring out the super feminine side, and if anything, I feel so empowered when I place one of these on my head. Twist head are redefining what head wraps or turbans can mean in our lives. Their unique designs are crafted with care, prioritizing quality and breathability. So let's explore how a turban can enhance your confidence and offer versatility as well as making a statement, all while supporting a community that values individuality and resilience. If it is your first time here, hi, my name is Steph. I'm a wig specialist and designer here on YouTube, but also in real life. It is my goal to help you become a pro yourself, or you may just be somebody who is passionate about wigs and hair loss awareness. If that is an interest of yours, then please do consider subscribing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Press that bell button so whenever I do post a new video, you'll be notified straight away. Alternating between a head wrap and a wig can be a game changer. Wearing an alternative is considerably going to help the longevity or the lifespan of your wig. And that could be helping the overall appearance of it, the shape, to ensure it looking as fresh as it can be when you wear it next. And by doing so, because it is promoting the longevity of your wig, you are actually saving money. You can express your creativity whilst taking care of your scalp. You know, I do believe, having had the pleasure of connecting with so many women with medical hair loss conditions, is that because it is an autoimmune disease, essentially, I don't like saying that, but a lot of us tend to have skin problems, and that could be eczema, for example. So I appreciate that wearing a wig, you do get flare-ups, and sometimes wearing a wig can feel quite uncomfortable. So having maybe a turban or a head wrap can really help your scalp breathe. I wish that I had the confidence to leave the door not wearing a wig or a turban for that matter, but we do naturally all feel quite self-conscious. So wearing maybe a turban as an alternative could be a good icebreaker whilst giving your skin that space and that time to breathe. But you know, turbans are great, of course, for people with hair. They're not just for people with medical hair loss conditions. So even if you wanted to give your hair space to breathe or time to, I don't know, rejuvenate or whatever that is, then a turban is a great alternative just for that alone. One thing about this brand that I really love is that they are wholeheartedly committed to making women's lives easier all over the world with beautiful designs handcrafted in Dubai using noble and raw materials that essentially prioritizes quality and comfort. All of their collections are designed to be catered to all women regardless of culture or beliefs, making it, this is what I love, an inclusive choice that fosters community. It's not just about accessories, but it's about supporting women, helping them navigate through their own hair journeys. And I just think that's so wonderful. So without further ado, I think that is enough talking for the moment. Let's dive into these stunning turbans, because I have seen them and I've not put them on yet. So this is a raw experience that I'm having with you, because these are stunning and I can't wait. So let's get into it. So I've got five of these stunning designs here with me, and I can't wait to showcase each individual one. But the first one here is the stunning cream or nude suede piece. The material it's absolutely stunning, and it's bone, so you've got wires here where you can bend it and manipulate it in ways of how you want your turban to kind of sit. Turn it inside out. You have this material, which again, it's very breathable, and I know it's going to be super comfortable. It's just stunning. I can't wait to put it on. Okay, I've never done this before, but having seen what they look like, just look stunning. Let's try. Like this. Okay. I look a bit crazy, but trust the process. That looks cute too. Immediately, I feel super confident. If I was to walk out the door, even going to an event with a nice, stunning dress, like I would feel quite, empowering. I really do. And I think it is a lovely take on hair loss, because for me, my hair loss is my identity. As much as I love to wear wigs, course, I love to express myself in wigs, but I do love expressing myself in turbans or head wraps, and I do feel very empowered. I do feel very confident. I do feel like, my hair loss is so significant to me and who I am as a person and my identity. So I love this, and I think it's a great icebreaker. It's so luxurious. Certainly one of my favourite turbans. Let's just put it that way. And this is the first one I put on, so let's try another one. But I just don't want to take this off. I love it. Okay, let's go to the next one. I just love with these designs that you can really manipulate of how you want this to look. I love the contrast of colours, so I love that you have this kind of like beigey nude, silvery-ish colour contrast to the green. It's absolutely stunning, and the green, it has some of those silvery colours through. It just looks stunning. The thing about this is I know that I'm not going to get any headaches either. Just stunning. How easy was that? That was super easy. Just twisting it, You like tie it and then you twist it, and it's just so like, again, I just love how you can just manipulate this part just to create different sort of styles. I think it's wonderful. Just as easy as that. And what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments down below. What are your thoughts? Would you wear it like this, or would you do it differently? And this is why I love a turban, because they are the perfect thing to alternate between, and they cost considerably less than a human hair wig. If you have skin conditions like eczema where you may experience a flare up, I think this is a good alternative to help protect your skin. It just feels that I just feel like I haven't got anything on my head. It's lovely. And it's, again, it is so classy. So classy, so high-end. I love it. And this would look stunning again with maybe a dress, a suit, a nice overcoat. Like, you can do so much with this. So I love it, and I love how you can just twist it and manipulate it again in so many ways where you can create different styles. Okay, I am quite obsessed. Look at this material, and this will be so nice for maybe like a New Year's party or Christmas party. Okay, let's give this one a go. Yes, and this would look really nice with a wig as well. I'm thinking maybe like a blonde. I think that would look really, really nice. Okay. I don't know which one to choose, because for me personally, I have loved every single one. I think they all have their own beauty within their own right. I certainly know which ones I probably would wear to certain events. Maybe I may go with like some you know, classy event with this, but this is so beautiful. I love it. I love it. Let me know your thoughts. Do you like the sequins? Do you not like the sequins? It's certainly giving like showbiz. I am obsessed. Love it. Oh, this is beautiful. The fabric, it is so luxury, and it's a midnight black with this gold, beautiful gold embroidery. It's stunning. So let's give this one a go. And each individual one has like this bone, so, or wire. So again, you can just create so many different styles. Matches my earrings. That was super easy. So it's kind of like pre-made, the wrap in itself, because you've got the bone in it, and it just makes it super easy to apply. And I just cannot get over how stunning this colour is. It's so beautiful, it's so rich, it's so luxury. The quality, I mean, these are handcrafted in Dubai. I am not sure which one. If I had to choose which one would be my favourite, I can't, because every single one has its thing and I love it. I love this one. Again, like every single one, they are super lightweight, super comfortable, and they are such a great alternative if you wanted to promote the longevity of your wigs. I just love a turban. I think all of them are beautiful. Twisted Head, you are incredible. Your designs are beautiful. I'm obsessed. So I hope that you found this video useful. I appreciate that not everybody feels comfortable or confident. They just simply don't get on with wearing wigs, and that is absolutely fine. And I do believe that a turban is a great alternative, not only as a good icebreaker, but I think that they are wonderful to alternate between to help the lifespan and the longevity of your wigs. For me personally, I feel empowered, I feel a sense of community, but most importantly, I believe they reinforce a positive self-image. If you watched to the end, thank you so much. I am always looking at ways to share and advocate hair loss awareness. But if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing. If you haven't pressed that bell button yet, do, because whenever I do post a new video, you'll be notified straight away. And I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. Would you consider wearing a turban? And if so, which one is your favourite? And let's redefine beauty one turban at a time.